Hello everyone, this is Dr. N.Senthil, Associate Professor Computer Science Engineering. Great pleasure for me to welcome you all for this session. Today's session is deploy a Java web application in Amazon EC2 instance. Now I am going to show the demo. In Google, search AWS Educate login. Now I am going to log in AWS Educate. I select go to your classroom. There are several classes, courses that I have already created. 2016 batch students used AWS services. I have invited you through email for the class 2018 batch DevOps Cloud. So I hope that all students will log into AWS Educate by using invitation mail that you received from AWS Educate. Now I am selecting my class of 2017 CSE ML AI Cloud. Here my account status is active with full access and have remaining credits of $50. Next, click AWS console. This page shows AWS services such as EC2, Lambda, S3, CloudWatch, etc. In this session, I am going to create and connect EC2 instance, then deploy a simple Java web application in EC2 instance using Tomcat. Now I select EC2 service. This page shows three parts. First part is EC2 dashboard. Central part is resource creation. Third part has account attributes. When creating a EC2 instance, first step is choose an Amazon machine image. Here it shows different configuration of AMI. Now I am selecting first one, Amazon Linux AMI HVM SSD volume type, since it is free tier eligible. Step 2 is choose instance type of T2.micro, that is free tier. In this EC2 family, 1 vCPU, 1 GB, that is 2 power 30 bytes. Instance storage is EBS only. IPv6 support also available. Next step is configure instance details. In this step, number of instances is 1. If you want auto scaling, you can do setup by clicking this. Other information is not necessary for our demo. Step 4 is add storage. In this step, disk memory size is 8 GB, volume type is GP2, input output operations per second is 100 to 3000. Step 5 is add tag. If you want, you can add tags for this instance. Next type is configure security group. You can create new security group or selecting existing security group. We must select type as SSH, protocol as TCP with port range of 22, and source should be selected as anywhere. Next, add a new rule as the following type as custom TCP rule, protocol as TCP with port range as 8085. Since this port will be used for running Tomcat server, source should be selected as anywhere since we can run anywhere. Next, click review and launch. Here we will create new key pair as NSM3. Download private key with the extension of .pem and save it as in local system and generate putty private key .ppk file using puttygen software by uploading pem key. This ppk file must be stored in local system safely. This ppk file will be needed to connect EC2 instance. After clicking launch, the instance will be creating. After few seconds, this instance will be entered into running state. After using EC2 instance, we must stop the instance since the amount will be deducted from our free credit amount of $50. Terminate action will delete selected instance. Now the instance is in running state. Here showing description about our created EC2 instance as instance ID, instance state is running, instance type is t2.micro, EC2 instance host name is EC2 5498.32.136.compute1.amazon.aws.com and public IP is 54.198.32.136. Next, we can connect EC2 instance using Putty software. Open Putty software, copy the course name of EC2 instance and paste it here. Next, under SSH, select auth and upload .ppk file, then open. It will ask username. Now we type username as ec2-user. Now EC2 is connected. Now we are working in AWS machine. First, you run the command as yum install update for updating the machine up to date. Next, we are in deploying a Java web application in this EC2 instance. For this, first we need to install Java by using the command as sudo yum install java 1.8.0 open jdk. Check the Java is installed or not using the command as java-version. Also install wget by using command of yum install wget. Install tomcat using command as wget http. This link will be used for installing the tomcat. Next, extract tomcat tar file as tar xvfz Apache tomcat 8.5.57 .tar.gz. After extraction, the change in directory as cd Apache tomcat 8.5.57. The following changes should be done in tomcat. For the first change, open the context.xml file using the VA editor. In VA editor, click key of I to give the command these lines. Next, save this file using escape:\wq. Open tomcat user.xml using VA editor to provide credential to manager app of Tomcat with username and password as admin. Next, save this file using escape:\wq. To change the default port of 8080 to 8085 if you use 8080 for other purpose. Open server.xml file by typing command as va-conf/server.xml. We need to change the port number 8085 instead of 8080 in 3 places. Next, save this file using escape:\wq. Next, start a Tomcat server using command as /startup.sh in bin directory. For checking Tomcat is running correctly by using command as ps-ef bar grep tomcat. Copy the Amazon EC2 hostname and paste it in web browser with port number 8085. Tomcat page is opening, so the Tomcat is running correctly. In NetBeans IDE, we will create Java application. Select Java Web with the project name of NSM4. Next, they change the body of index.html as DevOps Technologies. Create war file for this project as like this. Next, select Manager app in Tomcat for deploying Java web application using war file. Give credential as username admin and password as admin for the manager app of Tomcat. Then upload WAL file that created in our local system for the Java web application. By clicking deployed application, the page will be opened with message of DevOps technologies. Now a simple Java web application is deployed in EC2 instance. In summary of this session, you have seen demo on deploying a Java web application in EC2 instance using Tomcat. I hope you found this video is clear about the topic I lecture. Thank you and have a pleasant day.